Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 字 step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. That's right. 治 to control. To punish. For example, 治安 治安 law and order. Public security. The government is tightening up public security. The government is tightening up public security.政府正在加强公共治安。政府正在加强公共治安。公共治安。政府正在加强公共治安。政府 government 正在加强公共治安。政府正在加强公共治安。The government is tightening up public security. 治 in cursive. 治 to control, to punish. 治安 law and order, public security. The government is tightening up public security. 政府正在加强公共治安。治 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 治. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.